Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this mini braid look. They're not actually mini, they're like medium size, but yeah. So this is my last section. As you guys can see, I've been doing like medium size braids, and I'm just going to take a little bit of water in my spray bottle and dampen that a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with a moisturizing cream, and I'm using the Uncle Funky's Daughter's Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit to that section just to keep it moisturized. As you guys can see, I did start off with blow-dried hair, so I did go ahead and blow-dry my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle this section, and then after I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding it up. It's really pretty simple, you guys. Do the box braids as big as you want them, and make sure you use a moisturizing cream to keep your hair nice and moisturized while they're in this protective style. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid all the way down, and yeah, it's pretty easy. Okay, so once I get towards the end, I'm going to go ahead and take my spray bottle, and I'm going to spray the end of my hair to keep it so it can curl up at the ends like the other ones. And then I'm going to apply some more of that extra butter and just twirl it around my finger just so it can have a nice little spiral, little curl at the end like my other braids. And that is pretty much it, you guys. This is the final look. I went ahead and did my edges and made it all come together. It's a super easy style, especially for summer, especially for this quarantine summer. We're in the house and we don't really feel like doing our hair. So this is perfect for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.